then, Elijah? What happened out there? I thought they were all your friends.
It all started on Monday.
Look out, freak show losers.
So which biggest loser today then?
That's hard. That's a tough one to figure out.
Leave us alone. Grow up. Grow up.
That's my weirdo.
Weirdos. Oh dear God. Oh dear. How's your day going, losers?
Just wondering who's the weakest out of you. What, looking for permission to speak?
Butterfingers!
Leave us alone.
He takes the ball, he scores!
Leave us alone.
Weaklings.
Okay. Yeah, you.
Oh, come on.
Oh, thank you.
Look at those weak little hands.
Stop it. Just leave us alone. Oops, I dropped them. Too sorry.
Just leave it.
What did you say to us?
Come on, guys, it's getting boring. Come on now.
Okay. Yeah.
Can't wait to test out my new phone.
Watch where you're going.
Just stop. What is your problem?
Can't remember being able to speak, did I?
Hey, stupid girl, say hello to everyone. I meant down to you.
Stop. I've had enough. I can't take this anymore.
Oh, weirdo.
You dropped this.
I knew he was a weirdo. Go on, get lost then.
I got all of it. It sure was awesome. Let's do this.
Watch where you're going.
Stop. What is your problem?
I can't believe you did this.
I can't believe it. Why would they do this? Why would they post that online?
Everyone will see this.
I hate my life. I'm never going back to college again.
It's our lives.
I know, but
What do you want?
Nothing, you dropped this.
come to film us again, have you?
No, I'm not like them.
You laughed at us. You didn't
I'm
say
sorry.
anything.
I never want to do it.
Just get lost.
Bye.
Oh, weirdo. Stupid girl.
Freak.
One loser.
There's talk of leaving.
I hate my life. Stop. I've had enough. I can't take it anymore.
Our shackles crumbling.
You laughed at us. You didn't say anything.
I never want to do it.
Just get lost. I hate my life. I hate my life.
What have we done to you? Leave it in. Stop it. Stop. Chloe's dead.
Who's Chloe?
Who's Chloe anyway?
The girl's left destroyed.
What? You're full of crap?
Full of crap. Oh my, when they lie about something that's serious.
You was a part of this too.
Chloe's dead. So it's our fault.
You was a part of us too, so you can't say much for yourself.
Chloe's dead. It's all my fault. I could have done anything. I should have done something. But I didn't.